Ashnoor Kaur and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, please don't mind. मेरे actually building के आसपास थोड़ा construction का काम चल रहा है, so we can't do anything about that. That's like out of our control. But moving on with the video, today I'm going to talk about मेरे लंबे काले बाल, which I totally love and which you guys also totally love क्योंकि अशनूर नहीं होती उसके लंबे बालों के बिना. I've always had long hair and you guys have always loved me with my long hair. But you know, I really don't like cutting my hair at all. I remember I had to shoot for an ad. It was some hair product ad only. And the stylist had to style my hair a bit, you know, these steps that you have or something just to make them look healthier and more volumized. And I cried so much in the salon. I was about, I guess, 6-7 that time because I didn't like anyone except me and my mom and of course my hairstylist touching my hair. But at times you do have to trim them to maintain the health of your hair, to remove the split ends which are caused by, you know, the styling products and the heat products that you use, and it's like almost an everyday thing being in the industry. But finally I found a product which has led to me no longer cutting my hair, and that is the L'Oreal Paris's Dream Lens range. Now this range has a restoring shampoo, a detangling conditioner, and last but not the least, my favorite, a no haircut cream. No guys, seriously, you don't have to trim your hair anymore because this no haircut cream is the first leave-in conditioner that actually, you know, regenerates your lens and your tips, and it actually even seals the split ends. Added to which, it also makes your hair look shiny and glossy. It comes in this orangish and pink bottle, very vibrant, and sets a great precedent for how your hair will turn out if you use it. And guys, if you already have long hair like I do, it also helps to detangle your hair, so it leads to lesser hair breakage. So now that I've told you about all its amazing characteristics, let's get to its application. I'm gonna go and wash and condition my hair with the L'Oreal Paris's Dream Lens Restoring Shampoo and Detangling Conditioner. I've just washed my hair with the restoring shampoo and detangling conditioner, which my hair really needed. And now it's time for that one mega product, the no haircut cream. All you have to do is take a bit of the product on your palms and apply it from the lens to the ends. Not on the scalp guys, because this is a leave-in formula, so you don't have to rinse or anything. This has castor oil, vegetal keratin and essential vitamins that nourishes your hair and promotes hair growth. It also regenerates your lens and seals the split ends. Also guys, you need to use it regularly to see the actual effects on your hair. Now I'm going to let my hair dry and be back soon. Hey guys, so I'm done with all the 3 steps and I'm totally enjoying my long gorgeous dresses. Please don't mind me. No guys, but on a serious note, you gotta trust me with this no cut hair cream. It genuinely does wonders to your hair, and as you can already see, my hair looks much more healthy, and you know, I mean, they're not scanty and the ends also look really nice. So guys, since I'm not a big fan of cutting my hair, this is one of my hair care essentials now. You just have to apply and leave it. That's it. No more visiting the hair salons for a trim. And the best part about this is, since this is a leave-in, it also gives you like hair protection up to 180 degrees. Isn't that great? Guys, if you like the no haircut cream, you can go check it out. I've mentioned its purchase link in the description box below. And I feel it is super affordable and super amazing for the results it gives, because this is just for like $4.99 for this 200 ml bottle. So hope you enjoyed this product review, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to not miss any updates. Fan of the week is Hidal Thakur. Congratulations, you had a very sweet comment. Also, she's on Instagram and she has a fan page of mine, which is Ashnoor Kaur 235. So thank you so much for all the love. I do check your edits at times and they are lovely. So keep the love pouring in because that's all I need. And love you guys. Ta-da!